dog looks like.
Is that one for the bees or two?
Just one. 40,000 hours going by. They were going. We had one in this bush actually right down there. That's actually got wax on it. Maybe 4 pounds. Time it's all said and done. 4,000 or 5,000. Maybe a little more.
How are you going to catch that one?
Huh?
How are you going to catch it?
I'll come back later and just kind of like lift the bush up, set a box underneath it, shake it real hard, put the lid on it, leave. Now I got the other one off the bush that was down along the trunk where I couldn't shake. I brought the generator and my bee back down and just sucked them out.
Now there's a queen in there.
Should be, yeah.
Kneel down there with Caleb. Caleb, look at me. Off the top.
Photo bomb.
Get out of here.
Smile for pop count.
1, 2, and 3. Got it.
You didn't see that one?
No, I don't think so. He didn't come around and put another video.
I can catch that.
Can you find that?
Okay.
I'll take the which one, bro?
Up there on the edge?
Yep.
Well, if you get an opportunity to see a swarm go, it's just amazing because once you've gotten the queen in the box, you can literally just sit the box right down there and they will march in like little soldiers. They know where they're going and they just march right in.
Yeah, they are quite amazing little creatures.
They are.
Alright, let's see here.
Let's make a big circle where we can see.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little bunch and give it a shake first. If I can.
This isn't our property, so we try not to destruct it. That's a serious modern day people without their property. She usually lives there without us.
Getting up out of here.
Alright, now we're getting ready to do the big one.
And your presumption is the queen is on top?
Presumption, yep. Now there's about a half a box or a quarter box of bees. Let's get the mother frames.
On the side already.
Or that's it. When the queen's in here, they'll just march.
So they'll just stay with the box.
Well, we leave it sealed up or will they just stay in there because we knew that the queen fell into that? What you'll do is, let's say in there, so we stand in there, really cool what they do because they line it up, they line up like this, and they put them up in the sand.
Yeah.
Didn't take much of a shake, did it?
Yeah. I mean, it wouldn't be easy for me, I'm sure. But it just, But it just,
Doing the shaking part would be the
there
big
was like
step.
no drama.
Yeah,
It's
she's
like,
getting
okay,
covered.
then.
Get the queen, and she's still around right here.
They'll go back to the
They'll go
queen.
back, yeah, they'll go back to the neutral.
Guys, move so you don't get squished.
Right now, everybody's spam. Yeah. They're trying to get a smell of where's not, where's the bee. I'll just kind of watch. The bee should, if you look in the middle. See them marching in? Over there on that side. Just like little ants.
Look at him.